New policy related to excused absences in Lawrence County schools is getting some changes. Thanks so much for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Marius Payton. Hundreds of parents showed up to the school board's meeting tonight after the district announced it would no longer accept doctor's notes to excuse absences. WSMV's Braden Ross breaks down the updated policy they passed tonight.
Frustrated parents packed into the Lawrence County School Board meeting Thursday night to deliver a simple message.
Parents should have the right to decide when their child is too sick to attend school.
It's because earlier this summer, they were told if their child missed more than 8 days of school this year, they'd be referred to juvenile court.
The policy treats parents like criminals for doing their job, raising their children.
In July, the Lawrence County Board of Education passed a new attendance policy saying absences would no longer be counted as excused or unexcused, regardless of a doctor's note.
When a child is missing school 3 or 4, 5, 6 days for an illness annually, we understand that. 60 days missed for a second grader. What does it do for that child?
Director of Schools Michael Adkins said the new policy was aimed at curbing chronic absenteeism, and he says so far it's working.
This time last year, 168 kids had already missed 3 days. This year, 39.
But parents across the district were outraged by the policy, saying they shouldn't be afraid to keep their kids home from school if needed. And after weeks of conversations,
we listened to those questions. We made changes to the policy.
Under the updated policy adopted Thursday night, if a child stays home sick, a doctor's note still won't stop them from being marked absent when it comes to the district's rules on chronic absenteeism. That triggers a series of communications between school officials and parents.
Really what has changed is the intervention. And when we as a school system, when is our principals and our teachers going to now reach out and say, John Doe, citizen, your son's been out for 3 days. Is everything okay?
But the new policy does differentiate the criteria for truancy, which comes with a court referral to allow for excused absences for illness with a doctor's note. Even still, parents worry the new policy doesn't leave enough room for students to take care of their mental and physical health without fear of consequences.
This new policy is working. Our attendance is up, and I'm grateful that the attendance is up, but at what cost?
In Lawrenceburg, Braden Ross, WSMV4.